present about our innovation for our group project brief thinking skills. Next slide. Yes, this is our group members. We all are from the same course, which is chemical engineering. Next slide. So after a lot of thinking and after a lot of things that we take to our consideration, so finally we have come up with an innovation that we think that can help people to get their house chores done easily with minimum force. So the innovation is a self-cleaning mirror. So I'm going to talk about little key features about the mirror. So first of all, a wiper will be embedded to the rear of the mirror as well as the motor. So the motor will function to move the wiper down to clean up the mirror as per user wish by using a remote. Number three, the spray, which is located inside the system device, will pour water and soap in wide area coverage to confirm all areas receive the water and soap. And then there's a drawer. The drawer will function to store the water for cleaning purpose. So this product we are targeting for people who wants to have an easy life. They don't want to have their work burden themselves. So I think these products will really helpful for people, especially people that are working, because their times are not that much. So instead of cleaning up themselves, they can actually be assisted by this device.
So move to the decomposition chart. So basically our group project, for this innovation has four main ideas. The first one is wiper. The second one is motor. Next is spray, and the last one is drawer. So for the wiper, it is function to clean mirror, and for the spray, it function to generate spray and to move wiper. So this will help human to clean the mirror, and they can use it after that. So for the motor, it can generate spray and move wiper. And for the drawer, it function to store excess water and remove water after it is done. And the drawer is adjustable, and that's mean we can remove and we can put it back.
So today I will be presenting to you guys about all of our concept and sketches that are considered to be our main design. So the first concept, that we'll take is we will actually use a thermal sensor for our activation button. So how can the thermal sensor help us? By thermal sensor is going to detect the heat from the water vapor inside the bathroom. So whenever we shower using a hot water, the thermal sensor will detect the heat and will activate the wiper. So other than that, this option also contains the main system device, or we could call it as a main box, which is located under the sink. So this is our concept one. So I will go further with the concept two. So for our concept two, rather than using a thermal sensor, which is in concept one, in concept two, we use a switch button. So switch button simply like a button. We just press it and then the wiper will activate itself. And the difference between it, second difference between it is the location of the main box or the system device. So in concept one, the system device or actually the main box is located under the sink. But for concept two, it is actually within the wall behind the mirror itself. Okay, so that is our concept two.
So next for the option 3, so which is concept 3, there is a system device inside the drawer below the sink, and the motion sensor at the located at near the mirror. Then the motion sensor is used to detect the motion from the user in order to move the wiper. So when the user gives some motion such as touch or something like that, it will move the wiper easily without any other problem. Wiper device were placed to the side of the mirror to increase the surface and area wiped by the wiper. So the wiper put at the left of the mirror, and it cause the mirror can be cleaned easily from left to the right and right to the left again. So next for the option 4, which is concept 4. The wiper is placed at one side of the frame mirror, which is the left one also. So this kind of mirror also can give a simple function like other option, but the difference is the sprinkler, which is the below of the mirror, can spring some water and soap to the wiper to keep mirror clean. And the problem for this concept is wiper can reach at the end of other side, so maybe it can clean it cannot clean completely the mirror. So next, which is concept 5. So concept 5 is there's a lot of sensor, which is thermal, motion, and switch button. So this fifth concept, most likely the one to be functioned by three things, which is thermal from the heat, switch button which from user, motion sensor also from the user. So motion sensor is located at the near the drawer. So when the user should show his or her feet to the sensor, it will function the wiper. So the problem for the concept is the motion sensor could be unstable if too much motion occur in one time. So when the user give a lot of motion to the sensor, it can make the sensor cannot be untouchable, cannot be used, and more likely to become broken. So next, we go for the selected option.
So between those five concepts, the one that we choose after considering all of the factor is the option 2. This is because the system device is embedded and hidden in the wall and placed behind the mirror, so that it will be completely hidden and give it the mirror so that it can be seen by other people. The switch system is used to move the wiper. The material to store the system device is made from the stainless steel. Why do we choose stainless steel? This is because to avoid from the system device to rust. The wiper is made from waterproof material, and the wiper handle is also made from the stainless steel. The system device are stored at an ideal place to ensure the look of the product and the mirror are appealing to the eyes of the customer. The product we choose to hide the system device so that other people can't see the flaws of our product. The system are easy to be installed and cheaper to compare with thermal sensor and other sensor. This is because when we use sensor, any type of sensor like biometric sensor, thermal sensor, motion sensor, not only it will be cost you from wiring and anything else, it also easy to be easy to easy to break. The stainless steel will sustain the condition of the product to make sure it can be used for a long period of time. Waterproof is very useful characteristic as it has lower to non-penetration of water due to its ability to prevent the water to enter. The wiper handle will not be easily rust because the stainless steel that prevent the formation of the iron oxide. So option 2, we choose option 2 because when we compare with others, when we compare it with other concept, it is the most convenient and less expensive than the other one. So that's all from me. That's all from us. Thank you.